We have a problem, and the problem is find our real solution of the equation, and the equation is x plus 1 over x is equal to 3. Most of the students mess this up. Are you ready? Let's start this problem. So first of all, we can see that we have a term 1 over x. This means our x cannot be 0. After that, I'm going to multiply on both sides with x. When I do that, I'm going to get x square plus 1 is equal to 3x. Now I can arrange all the terms on one side. When I do that, I'm going to get x square minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation that we have. We can solve a quadratic equation by using any way. The one way is by using quadratic formula. We know the general form of the quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. And the quadratic formula is x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. I can find the value of a, b and c from our given equation. When I find that, I'm going to get a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to 1. After this, I'm going to substitute the value into the quadratic formula. When I do that, I'm going to get x is equal to minus into minus 3 plus minus square root of minus 3 whole square minus 4 into 1 divided by 2 into 1. When I simplify this, I'm going to get 3 plus minus square root of 9 minus 4 divided by 2. When I further simplify this, I'm going to get x is equal to 3 plus minus square root of 5 over 2. This means we have two solutions. The first one is x1 is equal to 3 plus square root of 5 over 2, and the second solution is x2 is equal to 3 minus square root of 5 over 2. Neither solution equal to 0, therefore both roots satisfy the original equation, and the equation is x plus 1 over x is equal to 3. Hence both are valid real solutions that we have. So this is our final answer. If you like my video, please subscribe, and also if you have any question, please write that question in the comment. Thank you.